All right, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. Today what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo of the Motast TWS07 Bluetooth earbuds, okay? So today in this video, we're gonna do a few things. Starting off, we're gonna do a fit demo for you guys. So I'm gonna showcase how these earbuds look in my ears, okay? And then we're gonna do two audio sample tests. One audio sample, we're gonna do a leakage test. And then the other audio sample, I'm gonna attempt to give y'all a nice crisp sample, holding up the earbuds to the clip-on microphone y'all see in the secondary camera right here. All right, so just for reference, let's get some stuff out of the way. Now I am using my Amazon Fire 10 HD tablet here today. So that's what has our copyright-free music pulled up. And you can see I do have it connected to the earbuds. So if I swipe down, you can see right there, it says TWS07 right there. So y'all can see that. And I do have everything set to max volume. So let me show you real quick. You can see it's 100% volume right there. Okay, just so y'all know how everything is set up. And as I said, we are using my lapel clip-on microphone here today to record all the audio. All right, so now y'all know what the whole setup is. Now, before we dive into the fitting and the other audio and sound tests, I just want to give y'all a real quick close-up of the earbuds. This way you can get a better idea of how they look. So if you would please direct your attention to the B-roll that you're going to see up on screen right now. Y'all check that out. Y'all let me know what you think. Now, in my opinion, in terms of the overall build quality and design, I have to say Motast has done a great job with these. It's a little bit strange look, but overall I feel the design is very solid. Okay, solid indeed. All right, so y'all check out that B-roll there of the build and the close-up of the buds, and y'all let me know what you think. All right, good stuff there. Check it out, check it out. Leave your feedback down below. Y'all know how the story go. All right. Now, moving on, let's move into the fitting demonstration here. So I don't know if y'all can tell, but I do have the earbuds in my ears right now. So you can see from the front profile, you can barely tell that the earbuds are in. And I gotta say, I like the overall fit and feel of these earbuds. Now, for reference, I do have the medium-sized tips in right now. I had a little bit of an issue with the large tips, but the medium-sized tips for me ended up being the best possible fit. All right, so let me just show you real quickly. Let's turn to the left. Okay, check it out, check it out. So you can see we do have a little bit of a stem here with our two microphones in the earbud stem. Okay, so here's the left. All right, and then turning to the right, here's the right. Okay. And we do have two microphones in our stem, as I said earlier. And we do have a touch control area right here. All right. So once again, let me do it again. Turn to the left. Check it out. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Bam. That's good. Turn to the right. Check it out. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Bam. All right. So in terms of the overall fit and feel, I actually feel it's pretty good in my opinion. Now let's move into these audio tests. All right. So the first audio test we're going to do here is a leakage test. So y'all let me know if y'all can pick up any leakage coming off the earbuds. We're going to let this play for a little bit. Let's go ahead and push play now. All right. And let's check for leakage. Here we go. Woo! Hold up now. Woo! Okay, let me pause this. Let me pause this. Wow, I was not ready. I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. Woo! All right. So y'all let me know what y'all think of the leakage on that one. And okay, now in terms of the sound quality, the volume, and the bass, what do I think of these? Now, in terms of the sound quality, it is really, really good. It's very crisp and clear throughout, with little to no distortion on the top or the low ends of the volume spectrum. In terms of the volume, these bad boys get super loud, easily able to drown out my surroundings. And now, in terms of the all-important bass. Yes, the bass on these, in my opinion, are really good. Dual graphene drivers for the win. Yes, the bass on these are awesome. Nice, deep, punchy bass, adding a nice level of depth to the music. I like it. I like it indeed. And y'all feel free to check out my Bluetooth earbud and headphone playlist, so y'all see the exact playlist that I use to test these out. But overall, in terms of the sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these, top notch in my opinion. Top notch indeed. All right, now let me rewind the track. And let's get ready to hold these up to the mic. Now, these do have the touch controls, and they do have the glossy build material. So we're just gonna pray that I don't drop them trying to demonstrate this for y'all. We're gonna do our best. So let's go ahead and push play. And let's hold them up to the mic. And let's do this for about 30 seconds, starting now. Okay, real quick, 30 seconds. Drop it back in, push pause. Alright, y'all, so that pretty much does it for this one. Once again, this has been my fit and sound demo of the Motast TWS07 Bluetooth earbuds. As always, y'all let me know what you think of these down below in the comments. Also, if you guys and gals liked and or found the video helpful in any shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. I hope everyone is staying safe out there. I hope y'all are having a great day, and I will catch everyone in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.